Want to trade crypto on your iPhone? Downloading the BingX app on iOS in 2026 only takes a minute, and you'll be ready to trade wherever you are. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone. Tap the search icon and type BingX into the search bar. Look for the official BingX app published by BingX and tap Get or the download icon to begin the installation. If prompted, confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password. Once the installation is complete, open the app and either sign in to your existing account or create a new one. For security, it's a good idea to enable two-factor authentication, passkeys, or biometric login after setting up your account. If you cannot find the app in the App Store, visit the official BingX website for the latest download information and regional availability. And that's how you download the BingX app on iPhone in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto trading guides.